I was start thinking of filming a new video, but without any kind of drop of caffeine inside my body. Not possible. You ready? My precious.
You got me running, you got me running, got me running. Shake it, shake it, shake it, baby. Raise your hands up, raise them up.
Italians drink it without sugar. Boom! Pietro Massai here and welcome back to another video in English for all my friends around the world, for Italians too, because I think many people using BIM here in Italy, they know how to speak in English. Also because too many things right now, too many tutorials, too many lectures and lessons are online in English. Thanks God, because we have to speak the same languages. I'm sorry for for my English, which is not the best, but I'm trying to help everybody reach a new level of design, the BIM level of design. So one friend of mine today asked me how it is possible to use the point clouds into a 2D CAD software. Okay, I will not use 2D CAD software because I'm completely on the opposite state of mind. So I will use a BIM software into two-dimensional. And I will use Allplan 2022. I will release new videos on what I found on Allplan 2022, which is amazing. They have implemented such wonderful stuff. But we will talk about this later in other videos. Okay, it's easy, my friend. You just need a couple of software which are free. No, it's just one software which is free, which is Cloud Compare. Thanks to Cloud Compare, you can import OBJ file, the point cloud, whatever you want. Just select a slice, make the software create by that slice a line that you can from there export in DXF and import in Allplan. So you will have a section of your point cloud or OBJ and you can import as a two-dimensional file DXF into Allplan or AutoCAD or whatever you want. Let's see it. I'm very happy you're here with me, so subscribe to the channel, give me a like and share with your friends if your friends need to know something like this, which is just try to follow the channel and switch on the bell. I don't know how to say it in English, maybe one day I will understand how to say this. In Italian is attivate la campanella. Campanella is the bell. Activate the bell. Activate the bell. Wonderful. So this is Cloud Compare and you will find the link down here in the description of the video to download this free software, which is unbelievable. I didn't find any PLY files on my computer that I can use at the moment that has no copyright of some clients. So I will upload something that I use for an Italian video. And I created the scansion with the LIDAR of my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Here we have the file and I can just drag and drop into Cloud Compare. The software is asking me the conversion format and I can say just apply all. We'll talk in another video about the possibility of the LIDAR scanner that is not perfect, but is absolutely quicker. Okay, with the left mouse click button we can orbitate around the object. It's not taking the horizontal line. With the left one is the pen. You see here on the left we have the point cloud. If we select it, we have the point cloud selected. And these commands are very important. This is the view from the top. First of all, we have to clean it. Otherwise, there are many points around that will disturb our section. So we select it and we click the statistical outlier removal command. And we press OK. You will see it will remove many outside stuff and it creates another cloud which is clean one. I want to clean also these other objects. So I press the segment command with the left button of the mouse, and then the right one I close, and I have to keep the segment out, confirm and delete hidden points. Okay, so we have this cloud here which is almost clean. Now if I press this command here, I have the cloud clean selected, and I press this one which is the cross-section tool. You see it appears a lot of arrows and rings on the arrows. If I click with the left mouse button on one ring and I turn it, you see it will turn. It's easy to understand. And on the arrow I can move the section. So for example, I'll move on the height that I need for importing in my other software. I need, for example, the first floor. This is the section that I need to import in the other software. The only thing that I have to remember is to click on contour. The software understands that the minimal slice is on the Z axis, and so I press OK. Just have a look at this. This changes many things on the creation of the slice. I don't want that the software split contours on longer edges. So, okay, here we have, you see something green has appeared. Just close the command, the point cloud will reappear, but here something has happened. You see I have just a contour, I just align, and I can export this line. How it's possible to export in Cloud Compare? You have to save it. So, save it as a DXF file. I call it section first floor. Here we have our DXF. If I go on Allplan and I take my DXF here, I just can drop it inside, and here we have our line which is created on our point cloud. You see, if I go in the other views, this is a 3D polyline. I can ask for coordinates of this point. The Z coordinate is 3 meter 36. Because the 0 coordinate is at 0 on the ground floor. So this was on the first floor, half floor, and these are the right coordinates. It's crazy. And here we can start redrawing our walls. So here we have our line and our walls recreated thanks to just a DXF. Of course, you can import wherever you want this DXF. My suggestion is to use everything in the vision of the BIM. Pietro Massai here. I hope this video can help you in your daily work. Just subscribe to the channel and you will see me. I'm sorry for you. I'm Pietro Massai, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.